What's up everyone, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a new way that Uber and Lyft drivers can make $1,000 per month extra on top of what you're already doing. So I will have a link below to learn everything on how to get started. But I really just wanted to talk about this incredible opportunity right now that exists right here on your phone. And it's by selling products on TikTok Shop. TikTok has recently launched a basically competitor to Amazon, meaning when you go on your phone, you can buy products, and I'll show you exactly what those videos look like. And this is a way that I personally am making money right now, as well as so many of my friends and other people online. They're making thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars per month, sometimes even thousands of dollars per day. I've made over $1,000 per day doing this. And basically the way it works, guys, is I'll just show you, when you're scrolling through your For You page, people right here will be promoting these products. They're all over TikTok right now, like this one. And when you sell, or when you, not sell, but when you shout out this product, you get $4 commission. And tons of people are doing this because, you know, it's a super easy way to make money. Some people do it on live streams too. I'm just trying to show you a few examples. This guy's literally, it's like everyday products that people are already buying. This is perfume, $5 commission. This dude got 92,000 views on this. He probably made $5,000 from this one single video. It's absolutely crazy how, that's me. It's absolutely crazy how much money people are making. Like, look at this one, a freaking t-shirt. This dude's selling this shirt. It's a little set, actually. It's 17 bucks, but you get $2. I mean, this dude probably made 500 or 1,000 bucks on this one video. Anyways, this is what my living room looks like right now. Again, Uber and Lyft drivers, I think, have such an incredible opportunity at your fingertips. I will help you make money with TikTok Shop. And just help guide you through it. We have a group chat down below, but the reason why I say Uber and Lyft drivers are really good at this is because videos in your car do extremely well. For whatever reason, people love watching videos in your car. So this is basically what my dining room looks like right now. This is a product that's doing extremely well because summer's coming up, and basically the way it works is you just plug it in. I'm not selling you this, but this is, you know, an example of a video you will make is you plug it in and you just turn it on and it shoots out air, it shoots out water misters here. And this is something you can sell as an alternative to buying air conditioners, because what's going on right now is air conditioners always hit a shortage over the summer. And you can sell this instead, and that's like 20 bucks, but you get like $5 when somebody buys it. This is another thing I'm selling. It says Neuro Gum. And I'm not selling it, like I'm not sending out the products, it's drop shipping, so the company sends it out for you. You just make videos. This is a digital camera that is from TikTok. This one is actually one of my favorite products because it's only like 25 bucks, but on Amazon it's 50, so you can like kind of get clever with the marketing there. And it actually takes good photos. So what we're doing is doing photo shoots with these and making videos like that. Obviously, I mean, so many people make like tons of money and they don't even show the photos. They literally just say, oh, buy this camera on TikTok, and on Amazon it's 50, and you want to take cool photos, buy this product. This is another one I'm selling. I actually just got this yesterday. I'm gonna start making videos with this one. It's a smart nutrition scale. So as you can see, I just have a ton of different products here that I am selling, and again, I'm not shipping any of these out. I just bought, well, some of these the company sent to me, like the NeuroGum, they just sent to me. This one, they just send it to me. This one, they just sent it to me. A lot of these ones, they just sent it to me. These ones I bought. So these ones they sent to me. So I bought a few of them. Some of them they just sent them to me. This one was like $1, so I bought it because it's, you know, whatever. Try to make some videos with that one. I also got these sunglasses. These ones they actually sent to me. This is fake money, by the way. This company sent this to me. I actually really like these glasses. So it's like, you do get free products with them too. This other glasses company sent me those ones too. So I just want to explain this to you because there's so much money to be made online right now. It's absolutely insane. And you don't need a following. You don't need to show your face. You don't need any experience at all. You really don't need, I mean, it does help if you can talk behind the camera, but you don't need to at all. Again, I have a link below right now where I and so many people that I know are making tons of money, and I have a full tutorial video on how to set up your shop, how to start promoting products, and how to start making thousands of dollars per month. This is probably one of the easier ways to start making money quickly is with TikTok Shop. I also have my Faceless YouTube channel program down below. I think that one's better for like long-term income because I don't think YouTube's going anywhere. Who knows about TikTok Shop? It's a brand new thing, so it's kind of interesting, and it's kind of allowing people who have never made money before to all of a sudden be making thousands and thousands of dollars. Like one of my really good friends, she's been trying to make money on social media for years, and now all of a sudden last week she said, oh my gosh, I just hit $1,000 pure profit from TikTok Shop. And you know, it's because it's it's allowing everyday people to make money promoting these products. And if you get one viral video, like not even viral, but one video that hits like 100K, all of a sudden, boom, you get like $1,000. This is another product I'm selling. This is actually a very popular product outside of TikTok Shop, but they're also on TikTok Shop. It's an air purifier, which I actually use. So it's like some of the stuff's actually pretty legit. And yeah, I'm trying to see what else I can say. But yeah, if you're interested at all, and another reason why I think Uber and Lyft drivers are good at this is because Uber and Lyft drivers, I mean, you don't have to be an Uber driver to do this, but if you are, it's good because you're not afraid to put in the hard work. Like, you know what it's like to do ride after ride after ride after ride after ride, and sometimes you just have to do that on repeat until you know, get a good ride. Except with this is like, you put food on here and it tells you what's in it. It has an app that you track it, and you put a little cup of almonds on here. You put a little cup of pineapple on here, a cup of sugar on here, whatever, and you just show the nutritional facts. You can make 100 videos. You could make, I honestly think if you made 500 videos with this, one of them will go viral, and boom, you just made a couple $1,000. And that's what I mean about being an Uber and Lyft driver. It's like, you know how to put in the time. So again, if you're interested at all, I have a 30-day free trial right now to my program showing you how to do it. It'll unlock the access to join the group chat, and it'll also unlock the access to the course material there. So once you sign up for the 30-day free trial, and that's only available for the first 100 people, then I'm gonna close it. I just wanna get a lot of people in there, obviously, and make it a community, right? So sign up for the 30-day free trial. And then once you log in, go to my programs, you'll see all the material. There is another way you can make money on TikTok Shop, which you will see in the course as well, is you can actually set up your own shop selling your own items, which is another way I'm making money. And I'm going upstairs because in this room, this is my brand. So I created my own brand selling women's clothing. This is only some of them. I have a bunch in my garage because we were just doing a photo shoot. But these are some of the jeans. Jean shorts, selling dresses and stuff. So, and these are pants. Oh, this is a long sleeve shirt. Dress, oh, this is a cardigan. So as you can see, I'm trying out all the different ways on TikTok Shop. And again, with this, I've made over $1,000 in a single day. So there's just crazy ways to make money on TikTok right now. And I think Uber and Lyft drivers are like the perfect candidates because you're probably looking for a new way to make money. You're not afraid to put in time, and you're also like hardworking too. Like driving for Uber, people don't give drivers enough credit. It's like, it is not an easy job. You have to like have motivation and discipline to go out there and drive for 8 hours a day. or 5 or 6 or 4 hours a day, whatever it is, and put up with these passengers, and people are happy in your car, people are sad in your car, people are mean, people are quiet, it's awkward. Sometimes it's like, I don't know. It's just, I feel like driving for Uber and Lyft requires a certain discipline, and I think those people who have that edge have the ability to become successful in other ways as well, and applying that kind of grit and discipline into other facets. And I think TikTok Shop, my friends, is probably one of the easiest ways to apply that and start making money. And there's so many different products. These are literally, this is just a small fraction of all the products out there. I mean, you can go on the TikTok Shop and find stuff that you like. I mean, I personally love photography. I know a little bit about cameras, so it's like, this one makes sense for me to promote. This is gum that gives you energy and focus. I drink coffee all day long, so I'm like, okay, this is a great alternative for me. I don't know why it's not focusing, but, and Joe Rogan also chews this, so it's like, wow, I don't know why it's not focusing, but who cares? And this, like, I work out, so I know, you know, I want to make sure, like, this is something I probably wouldn't buy, but I also, like, think it's cool to use because I think a lot of this stuff's actually interesting. So maybe you don't care about fitness, but there's something else on there. There's food products on there. There's so many different products on there that you can buy and start promoting and making money. So anyways, check out my link below for more information and to obviously watch the whole tutorial on how to set it all up and start making money. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.